In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send iMessages with effects on your iPhone, including hearts, lasers, fireworks, confetti, and balloons. So, if you're looking to add some flair and excitement to your messages, you've clicked on the right video. Let's dive right in and transform your messaging experience. First up, you'll need to open the Messages app on your iPhone. It's that familiar green icon with a white speech bubble usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Go ahead and tap on it to launch the app. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, it's time to compose your message. You can either start a new conversation or continue an existing one. Simply tap on the conversation or the compose icon that looks like a little pencil in the top right corner to start fresh. Type out your message, whether it's a celebratory note, a heartfelt greeting, or just a fun text for your friend. Now here's where the fun begins. Instead of pressing the send button right away, you'll want to press and hold the send button. On an iPhone, that's the blue arrow you usually tap to send your message. Holding it down for a moment gives you the option to send it with an effect, turning your plain message into a whimsical and animated delight. Once you've got the menu up, you'll see two tabs at the top, Bubble and Screen. Tap on Screen to access the screen effects. This is the section where you can transform the entire screen of your recipient's iPhone with eye-catching visuals. Now it's time to select your desired effect. You have several exciting options to choose from. There's the heart effect that displays a large red heart floating across the screen. Or if you're feeling electrified, opt for the lasers, which shoot across the screen as your message appears. For a grand entrance, try the fireworks effect, where colourful explosions light up every corner. Celebrate with joy by choosing confetti, which showers down like a cheerful parade. Finally, you can opt for balloons, where colourful balloons float upwards when the message is read. Once you've decided on which effect you want to use, simply tap on it to preview. When you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and tap the send button again. This will deliver your message with the chosen screen effect, creating an unforgettable messaging experience for your friends or loved ones. And there you have it. With this simple tutorial, you can now send messages that burst with personality and creativity. Experiment with different effects and make every message special. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.